Numbers is great for collecting and representing data. So let's take a look at how we create tables and turn the data in those tables into charts. So numbers is perfect for data collection and then representing that data. So I've just created a very basic table here, which I am going to show you how to turn into a chart. So in the classroom, what I would do is I would create the basic table myself, just to speed that process up. Airdrop it to the children, they would unlock it and start editing it. So I've just put the data in here, so it's just a very basic one looking at rainfall in the UK. And we want to take this data and turn it into a visual representation in a chart. So what we're going to do is we're going to highlight this chart here. And what you notice is you get cell actions, or there's a cell button in the bottom corner. They both take you to exactly the same place, so I'm just going to use the cell button in the bottom corner. And what happens is you can cut that data, you can copy it, you can paste it, you can delete it, create a new chart, you can create quick formulas, but I'm just going to go to create a new chart. You get these lovely options here, 2D, 3D. So I'm going to go to 3D and I'm going to choose this one here. And what you'll notice is it's created a chart, but so far I can only see England and Wales, and that's because the size of the chart needs to be increased, and it's 3D, so you can look at it in any different way. So now that we've created that chart really quickly and really easily, we can edit this chart. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to tap onto the screen, I'm going to hold my finger down, and I get these edit reference and edit series buttons that come up. Now I can also do this, as long as the chart's highlighted, I can also do this by going to the paintbrush, and what you'll notice is I get edit series and edit references here. Just changing this, I can change the color scheme if I so wish, and I can add a title onto that chart as well. So if I want to add that title on and add a caption on there as well, so I can add all those things on. But what we're going to do is we're going to take a look at edit series. So edit series allows you to change the color of each column. So what we've got here is we have got blue is January, February, etc. So if you click on it, you can change it with, you can add labels inside of it if you so wish. So you can have the numbers on there as well. You can put them at the top. You can do all that kind of thing. You can go to the series fill, you can change any colors that you so wish in there. So that looks at the series fill there, and you can delete any that you want. So what we're going to do is we're going to go back. We are going to look at edit reference. And edit reference, this allows me to say I just want to compare England and Scotland. I can just drag that, have England and Scotland side by side. Say that I don't want to look at February, I only want to look at January and February, I can drag that over, so we can edit that there as well. And if I go to the settings on the side, I can plot rows as series instead. This has got columns, so the columns there, January, February, March, April, that's what you're seeing in the columns. If I change it, we can have each month and each country is represented by a column. So there's lots to play about with in there. If we just come back out as well and we look at the type of bar shape, we can change it to cylinder if we so wish. So I'm just going to spin that round. If you go to rectangle, we can look at the depth, so we can make the chart stand right out. You can turn the legend on and off, so you know what these things are on the top. But also, once you've created the chart, you can change it. So you can change it to a 2D stack column if you wanted to see. If that's how you want to represent your data, you could change it to a 2D bar chart on the side. There's lots of different options in here that you could just play about with. 2D pie chart, now that only works for January. So say we wanted to edit the reference here and we just wanted to look at let's go to edit the reference, and we just want to look at England here. We could turn England into a bar chart, and you can see there all those different types of things. So there's lots of things to explore in there, but numbers is a great way of representing data. So for example, what I would think would be key stage 1 would be perfect. Create the table, Go outside, collect some traffic surveys about colours, numbers of cars, numbers of vehicles, show them in a table straight away very, very quickly. Lots of uses right across the curriculum, science and maths in particular, and really simple to do.